Hello there everyone, it's Craig here, your Mad Hatter Barber. Alright, I've got another review and unboxing of some sneakers that I've just purchased. Okay, these are the Adidas's. They are the CloudFoam Racer TR. I do not know what the TR stands for. That's definitely not track racing, okay? Right, here is the shoe. Over there. There we are. That's just some cloud foam there. There's cloud foam written on the side there. There's the bottom. Nice little couple of pieces of rubber. So these grooves here go this way, and then at the back the grooves go the opposite way. Get your 3 stripes on both sides. There's your laces. Just undo them. And there's your tongue. Tongue has Adidas written on it. Inside it says Ortho Light Float. And just in there. They have a nice toe kick. You don't ruin the front of your nice mesh there. They feel nice and cushiony when I tried them on in the shop as well. So they're not for running, they're just for casual wear. They both are together. They come with 2 laces. So you've got just your plain blue ones, similar to the colour of the shoe. And then you've got your 2-tone colour one as well. Nice extra bit of material there, just for a bit of show. Doesn't really do much. Probably just helps you hook your hurl in when you're putting them on. Nice thick tongue on them as well. So I haven't. I'm gonna wear these for the first time today. So hopefully they do feel very comfortable outside of the shop. These are $100 Australian. Okay, I bought them on sale though, so I only paid $60 on sale. But when they're not on sale, $100 Australian. These are a US size 9. These ones. Not much else to say about these. That's about it. There you go. Again, there's the CloudFoam written on the side. Nice bit of stitching at the back there, just going around. It's like a red colour. They do have a nice feel inside. as well, and feel breathable as well. Here they are up against my Adidas Racer Adapts. So there you go. There's the bottoms. The Adapts are very comfortable, these ones here. They're very comfy, very nice to walk around in. So I'm really hoping that these Racer TRs are just as comfy, because they both have the CloudFoam. So as you can see there, you probably can't see that, but written right there it says CloudFoam. So, yeah, there's the bottom. So one last look at these, and I'm out of here. There we go. Alright, that is a look at these. This has been Craig, your Mad Hatter Barbar reviews. This was the unboxing of the Adidas Racer TRs. Hope you enjoyed it. You have a great day, and chat with us later. Yeah.